Over the next few videos, I'm going to be talking nutrition with a goal of towards burning fat loss. You do not need to go on a massive crash diet to lose weight. You do not need to go on the grapefruit diet. You do not need to cut big food groups out of your diet to lose body fat. There are some things that you do need to do, and the focus of this video is going to be one of them, and that one thing is track what you eat already. If you don't know what you're putting into your mouth, how can you change anything in your diet to gear it towards fat loss? It does require a little bit of work, but not massive amounts of work in terms of time investment. If you've got enough time to watch this video, then you have got enough time to track the food that you're eating. So there's going to be some homework associated with this video, and so carry on watching and I'll explain what it is. So let's gear up our nutrition towards fat loss. What do we need to do first? We need to know how much food we've got going in. We're going to track the food we've got going in our mouth. The easiest and best thing to use is as an app on your phone called MyFitnessPal. So step number one, you need to find that, download it. Step number two, you need to weigh yourself. You need to get on the scales. Scale weight isn't the best form of measurement when it's gearing towards fat loss. There's lots of things that affect the weight that you weigh on the scales. However, most people have got scales in their bathroom. It's easy to jump on them, and it gives us a rough idea of your starting point. So that's why we're using it. I want to cut out all the hurdles and make it as easy as possible. So download MyFitnessPal, jump on the scales. Then, for the next 7 days, I want you just to track what you eat every single day. All you need to do is scan the barcodes in there. Scan the barcodes in, and it does it all for you. It doesn't take very long. If you do it as you go through the day, you're probably not going to spend more than 10 minutes a day tracking or logging it all on MyFitnessPal. So it's not going to take any more time than you already spend on Facebook or reading a newspaper. Track for 7 days. Then I want you to work out the average. What average I'm talking about? I'm talking about the average of calories that you have been consuming each day. So if it's 2,000 one day, 3,500 the next day, 7,000 the next day, and so on and so forth, add them all up and then divide by 7. So that is your average calorific intake for the week. We'll need that in the next video. And then, I didn't write it on the board, I want you to weigh yourself again at the end. So weigh yourself at the start, track for 7 days, work out your average calorie intake, and then weigh yourself again. So you're going to end up with 3 numbers. In the next video, I'll explain what you need to do with those 3 numbers.